P&W Marine Engineers and Fielding's Foundry, trading as Cameron Engineering, here to present our deck hatch design, manufactured here in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Made of CC 601 aluminium, heat treated. On the left here we've got a deck hatch with a slightly different design to this one. The stainless steel gas struts incorporated into being in position for a large swell, 4-6 meters, designed specifically to a point where they will reset and hot lock into position. Flush mounted design, simply to allow a no trip hazard. The locking mechanism incorporated into the handle is both on top and underneath. The locking device is simply like so and dropped into place, allowing for a padlock in through the top deck. The opening is simply anti-clockwise and back open in position. The bottom base is also aluminium, obviously to be welded in position on an aluminium vessel. We also have the option of having the base in steel to enable us on a commercial vessel like a tugboat or a barge to have the bottom base in steel, still allowing us to have the top lid in aluminium. The one on the right here is a slightly different design. Rounded edges, flush mounted, the handle on the bottom, and a little design where we don't have the handle on the top. The concept is that we have one key for the vessel, whether or not you have 6 or 8 or 12 deck hatches, and the key comes with it, and simply locking mechanism using the key like so. To open, we simply open with the key, and once again we have the positioning of the stainless steel gas struts in position so that it locks the lid from not closing on you. The bottom base has a position for a barb so that inside the hull we can actually plumb overboard for any water that pools into that area. Either an option or inclusive is a safety guard that we have developed, made here in Brisbane, simply out of cast CC 601 aluminium. Safety guard goes into place purely to allow, during construction of the vessel, welding fumes can ventilate through the bottom of the hull, through the safety guard, whilst the lid is open, but also a safety guard in case anyone is walking backwards or forwards over the deck hatch, that they don't fall through whilst doing the construction, that the lid is open. Purely a safety guard, easily installed and easily removed. The sizing that we have designed is 600 by 600 and allowing the boat builder to weld the bottom frame, whether or not it's aluminium or steel, into place.